Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Chevrolet Spark door. First, locate your key fob or the physical key for your vehicle. If you have the key fob, simply press the unlock button once to unlock the driver's door or twice to unlock all doors. For manual entry, insert the physical key into the keyhole on the driver's side door. This initial step ensures you have the correct access method ready before proceeding. Once the key is inserted, turn it clockwise to engage the locking mechanism and unlock the door. You should feel a slight click or resistance as it unlocks. After unlocking, firmly pull the exterior door handle. The door should unlatch and swing open smoothly. Make sure there are no obstructions preventing the door from opening fully, allowing for easy entry into your Spark. To open your Chevrolet Spark door from the inside, simply locate the interior door handle, usually found on the door panel. Pull this handle firmly towards you. This action will unlatch the door. Once unlatched, gently push the door outward to open it and exit the vehicle. This method is straightforward and works whether the car was previously locked or unlocked. If you're having trouble opening a rear door from the inside, check for the child safety lock, typically a small switch on the door's edge that prevents interior opening. Also, always ensure there are no physical obstructions, like ice or debris, preventing the door from latching or unlatching properly. For more great tips and resources, including a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, be sure to check out the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.